Have you ever wondered if you can combine the power of C++ with the flexibility of Python in your applications? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into whether it's possible to embed a C++ widget into your PyQt application. I totally get it. You want your PyQt application to run faster, and using C++ for certain widgets seems like a smart move. You're not alone in this quest for performance. Many developers face the same challenge. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is it possible to embed a C++ widget into my PyQt application? They want to enhance their application's performance by integrating C++ components. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's the deal with embedding C++ in PyQt? PyQt is a set of Python bindings for the Qt libraries, which are originally written in C++. This means you can indeed create C++ widgets and use them in your PyQt application, but there are some steps involved. And stick around. I'll share some tips at the end that will make this process smoother and more efficient for you. To begin embedding a C++ widget into a PyQt application, the user first needs to ensure they have the necessary development tools installed. This includes both PyQt and the Qt development environment. Next, the user should create a C++ class that inherits from a Qt widget. This class will define the functionality and appearance of the widget they want to embed. After defining the C++ widget, the user needs to compile it into a shared library. This allows the PyQt application to load the C++ code at runtime. Now the user can load the compiled C++ widget into their PyQt application. This is done using the PyQt's QLibrary class to access the shared library. Finally, the user can create an instance of the C++ widget and add it to their PyQt main window. This will allow the user to see and interact with the C++ widget within the PyQt application. Fun fact, the Qt framework is used by some of the biggest names in tech, including Adobe and Autodesk. So you're in good company when you choose to work with it. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative approach is to use SIP to create bindings for your C++ code, similar to how PyQt bindings are created. However, it's important to note that the bindings generated by SIP are C++ code and link directly to the Qt binaries. If your goal is simply to rewrite PyQt code in C++, the performance improvement may be minimal, as there is often very little native Python code being executed. Here's a pro tip. Make sure to manage memory carefully when working with C++ in Python. Memory leaks can be tricky, so keep an eye on your resource management. And there you have it. You can indeed embed C++ widgets into your PyQt application. With the right steps, you'll enhance performance and functionality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.